How to match with someone on Bumble. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can match with someone on Bumble. So first of all, let me open my Bumble app and then make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you've logged in, your home page will look somewhat like this, where in order to get the match, first of all, you'll have to like someone. So let's say I like this person right over here and this person right as well. Now once you've liked the person, in order to get a match with someone, all you have to do is simply wait and pray that they swipe right on you as well. Now let's say both of you guys swipe right on each other. So now in order to get a match, you'll have to tap on this option on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you will be able to see the list of all of the different people who have liked back at you and you have also liked them. So if you both swipe right on each other, you will appear over here and then you will be able to get a match and then chat as well. So that was basically how you match with someone on Bumble. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.